Well, hi there, and welcome to our look at the October sky. We'll start with the planets. Mars reaches opposition on the 13th of October and will be at its brightest. It's already brighter than Jupiter in the sky, and the planet is visible pretty much all night long as it crosses the sky, moving retrograde amongst the stars in the constellation of Pisces. So really look out for Mars. It's not red, it's more orange. It's the sort of colour of sodium streetlights. The only reason they called it red is because when they discovered it, they didn't have a colour orange. It only entered the vocabulary around the 17th century. Jupiter is still well placed for early evening observation. It's still quite low, and it sets around about 10:30, so it does set quite early. But of course, nights are drawing in now in the northern hemisphere, so we still have plenty of time to see it. And Saturn appears shortly after it, about a palm's width away if you look into the actual sky, to the left of Jupiter. And of course, it's well positioned again for brilliant early evening observation, and it's moving through Sagittarius, and it's allowing faster Jupiter to creep closer to it, and around about the 21st of December, which is a brilliant date because of course it's the winter solstice, the two will be almost together in our skies. In the morning, it's Venus, still dominating the morning sky, rising a few hours before dawn, and again the nights are getting longer, so quite a lot of people will be getting up for work and it will still be semi-dark or dark, so look to the east, and that dominant bright star-like object is Venus. In terms of constellations, there's not much change really from last month. Aquarius is now in the sky, and it's a large constellation. It's the 10th largest constellation in the night sky and one of the 13 zodiac constellations. So look out for Aquarius, along with Cephus, the Ethiopian king, which is visible all year in the northern hemisphere, but at this time of the year it's at its best. And again, it's about the 27th largest constellation. And of course, the sky from east to south through the course of the night is dominated by the two-legged upside-down flying horse of Pegasus, which entered our skies back in August, and it'll be with us right the way through till December time. It's a large constellation, one of the largest in the sky, in fact, the 7th largest, and it's quite easy to see, particularly because of the great square of Pegasus. Well, on to the moon now, and of course October started with a full moon, the harvest moon, and it ends with one on the 31st, a full moon on Halloween, and of course it's a blue moon, because a blue moon is the second full moon in a calendar month, which means, like last month, mid-month we have nice dark skies, because the moon will be in its crescent and its new phases, which gives us a great chance to see some of the constellations and the planets dominating in the mid-month sky. In terms of meteor showers, we get two this month. The Orionids, around the 21st, 22nd peak, obviously coming from the constellation of Orion. And around the 8th of October, early in the month, we see the peak of the Draconids, which is not one of the better ones. Produced by debris from comet 21P, it only produces around 10 meteors an hour, as opposed to the Orionids, which is one of the better known and quite a reliable meteor shower. It doesn't produce huge amounts, we're talking about 25 an hour, but it is quite reliable, and it's debris from Halley's comet which is responsible for the Orionids. I hope you enjoyed that shortish look at the October sky. It's a funny sky, October, because it's still the same pretty much constellations as we had in September. Things start to begin to change after Bonfire Night, as we will see in next month. So, dark skies, stay safe, enjoy the viewing, and speak to you soon. Bye for now.